watching the Tish 21.
guys, so just going for a little bit of a drive today.
sound this thing makes is absolutely disgusting. Oh, man. It's not quite as loud as the white one I used to have. That one was definitely a little bit louder because it had more of a straight pipe setup than an H pipe setup. But this one sounds way more toned, way more clean, and there's no rasp. The white car had a lot of rasp, especially up top after like 3K RPM. There's a ton of rasp in that setup, but this one doesn't have that. Right around like 2,500 RPM, there's like this really deep tone with this one. I did actually get a mic for the actual back, so we're gonna be testing that out a little bit. So we'll put the mic on the license plate and see if it picks up the sound of the exhaust. I don't know how good it's gonna be. It might be shit. I did test it a little bit, and sometimes it was coming a little distorted. I was reading that if you take the settings of the GoPro, you take the Wi-Fi off and stuff like that, it actually helps to make the sound a little bit cleaner. Oh. And then the thing with the AMG is, if you get the shifts right, like if you downshift at exactly like 2,900 RPM, you get the perfect blip on the downshift. Like this one's about 3K here. That one was clean. The best one is about 2,900 to 2,800 RPM if you downshift into second. Here, that's here. 1 second. Nasty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.